In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start or join a Zoom call from Slack. If you want to move from a chat to a live conversation without leaving Slack, this is the simplest way to do it. Before we begin, there's one essential requirement. The Zoom app for Slack needs to be installed and authorized in your workspace. If it isn't, the commands I'm about to show you won't work. If you try a command and see a message that the app isn't available or needs authorization, that's your sign to check with your workspace admin or visit your workspace's app directory to confirm Zoom is enabled. Once the Zoom app is set up, starting an instant meeting is quick. In any channel or direct message, type the /command /Zoom and send it just like a normal message. Slack will post a Zoom meeting card or link right in the conversation. This lets everyone in that channel or the person in your DM join with a click. If it's your first time, Slack may prompt you to connect your Zoom account and grant permission. That's expected, and it's what allows Slack and Zoom to talk to each other securely. After that one-time authorization, future meetings start immediately. If you need to join a specific meeting that already exists, use the join command. In the message box, type /zoomjoin followed by the meeting ID. Make sure you enter the digits exactly as they appear in the invite. When you send the message, Slack will route you into that Zoom meeting, either by opening the Zoom desktop app or your browser, depending on your setup. This is especially handy when someone shares a meeting ID in chat and you want to hop in without hunting for a link. A few practical tips can make this smoother. Use the Zoom command in a busy channel when you want the whole team to see the invite. Use it in a direct message for quick one-on-ones. If you're concerned about clutter, you can also send the command in a thread under your current discussion so the invite stays organized. Your meeting's audio, video, and waiting room settings follow whatever you've configured in your Zoom account, so you don't have to tweak anything in Slack. And if you ever get a permissions prompt, it's just Slack confirming it can create or access Zoom meetings on your behalf. That's all you need. With the Zoom app authorized in your workspace, /Zoom starts an instant meeting, and /ZoomJoin plus the meeting ID gets you into a specific call. Fast, simple, and right from Slack. From